Yeah, program Woraworaman. Yeah, Cambon program. A teacher for fire service, doctor for just institutions in a share more rara. Yeah, drink rara. Nah, a teacher for the one more in some better yenim. Emma question bisamuno obi busa say wa monkwala ampa education director no kan say ya monkwala na nana himba Mr. Ghana mai Mr. Aban a wa baso say kwala ba o ma so de yes amre na na ye ko school no 19th no mu ho no na a teacher for boye Uko school na ye late aye show. Ochina menye ni se obeye late. Na se nkola na aba no. Ese mra bi aba se ye mo nkola. Ye be sra aban, ye be sra no. Ye be sra aban nkola na so den pa. Kafra sa kola ye boni a ye twa no to Bible mu kura wo ho. Enti nka na na he ma mesre bebre se sa akola ya bone na utwa no to ba ko mienu miensa menye ni se na uku akola no ochina bone na oye ya wobo no menye ni se obesan akoye biem enti ne program a ya ye no ye besere bebre won tia akola no teacher fo tia akola no teacher tia akola school a oba fia no ma me so tumi tia no nenso so sesei ye hu na ye awofo edumemenda wodo wokofo mu ado bako sese ye jan kola no woni na mufie eni na san nan wo na abaya na wanyam enti e besra aban ye sere no bebre kotodwe gu fom sa mra na wo mo atwam no ye mu bidie eno na ama ye so ye gina fem ye gina ye na so ye nu mu bone eni ye nu mu papa enti obi ya bone no anka nkire no onimu se ne wa ye no eye ana enye ti e besere se aban hwe na ho no watene no amaye na nkola no akoyi ya amaye anye saade a nkola no se ya no wo mo sei
Efremi Christopher Amwanku Yirenchi. The reason why I brought this to Rara Secondary School is because I am from Rara. If it's not for Rara, I wouldn't be who I am. I feel like I'm no different than any of the students here. And I use my opportunity and my resources to give back to the people who look just like me, who feel the same feelings I go through, who have the same pain I went through. These are my people, so it's important for me to always give back to the people who look just like me. I feel like I live in a country where I donate sometimes to people I don't know, so it's always good to give back to my family, my friends, and the people who I know. If anything were to happen, I can always come back to Rara and call Rara home. So that's why I did it. So I brought numerous school supplies, from journals, planners, pencils, pen, paper, whiteboards, calculators. I brought a lot of everything. So next year or next time we do this, it will be specific science school supplies. I'm looking to add more and bring more to specifically the STEM program. It's for right now. Right now the STEM program is who I did this event for, but I'm also looking to open up to all schools in Rara, as well as the OT region. I feel like we are all close, we all work with each other, so it's important to lift up the region. Yes, I have a lot of friends back home. I would like to shout out the Nubian Circle. That is a nonprofit organization that I'm in. We do a lot of different sporting events, but we also do stuff like this. We give back to the community. We give back to the community, and then as well as we host different events, networking events, and we just allow community. I feel like gathering like this is important. So this is what we love to do it for. This is what we do it for. One thing I want to say Ghana is a powerful country. I was talking to somebody and they told me that the center of the world is actually in Ghana. Like where latitude and longitude, the rock is here. So I want you guys to know that this place is special. And it's up to us to feel special and for us to do what we came here to do. So we have to improve and keep building. Not every day is gonna be a good day. But the more you work, the more you pray, the more good will come.
Okay, what will help promote STEM in our school is they should bring us more STEM teachers and the things we need to improve in STEM.
The question is, how can the STEM science help Rara as a town?
Thank you for the question. STEM in Rara can help to arise the interest of the youth in agricultural activities and their profession. And it will also promote them to achieve their future goal settings.
And the last question I have is, what can us as a community, my friends back home in America, and then the elders in the village, what can we do to help you guys?
Come again.
My final question is, what can my friends in America, as well as the teachers here and the people in the community, what can we do to support the students?
Right.
I will talk about our infrastructure. The school lacks so many infrastructures. As you see, we have structures in the campus that is not completed. And we will call on those people to come and then help us complete the classroom blocks. As I'm speaking now, some classes are being combined. And whenever they have their elective subject, it becomes very tedious for them to sit and then learn. So I will call on them to help us complete the structures there. Thank you.
Say who we here say nyina be ka bom na be boa mu efa esuku adan a wo mo asha sisi na ye gya no kwan so a ye wie no oni ye kasa sisi a no class dey be a senior high o wo mo aka bom ansa na ye kire wo ade na e ba say elective subject na be koso na afi ye be ya wo metumi a separate wo ho akosuku adan foforo mu na ayasem do to sa frese ye nyina ntwe ni hwe school no efa school adan ho ne me boa wo ma wo wi adan a ya sha sisi school mo edamasi amisa baby adu ye be si a obi editi right and ye baby adu no o say ye be si ha na ya to sa frɛ the from assemblyman Opoku me ye kotomase assembly member Woraworaman I was edi ka me cheti ofu nyinara o motene ne wo mu ni say uyom okandini ana ye okandini na wo no manfo nhia enni nkomo a na kese wo mu o mani e be se mfiedu ni mfiedu mienu ni so o man rara etumi di ahia adwe efa mpuntuo ho efa o man no ho ne santi ana ye assemblyman aya samba fofo ni unit committee for aya from town council no ya tena se aplan se e wo se ne manfo hia na asem bi da okokoso se fa asafo adwuma ho se fa ahensem ho se fa yen assemblyman ho se fa obi biara ho a e wo se ye de che ye kepa mu ka ne de ache de nyina ya to adwen na afi yatumi abu o mani ye no eno ne botai titiriti a yatumi organize program we emfasodi a sa adwuma die e de be bre o man no o man biara emra nya adwuma wo mu no na obra o man si apene anti local bylaws na wo say de adwuma no ye pese ye hyemu kina na yetumi bu o man ni eno ka hunti na eno titru e de botaa baako na fetima mofo no hu yen assemblyman unit committee for ye nwuma na nya bibia na ye kwa ahemfo bibia na ye kwa ahemfo bibia na ye kwa ahemfo na fe ama wotumi ensolve problem no maye na omo hu ye nwuma ama omo tumi de betu ye nimu na yen so ya represent omo general assembly na yɛtumi aka ho asɛm ɛde aboa wɔn. ɛbɛyɛ sɛ na yɛwɔ mu ni sɛ yɛto nsa frɛ DC ne entourage fire service wɔn yɛ adwuma under fire district assembly no nti yɛto nsa frɛ wɔn health director wama environmental director wama planning officer wama DF wama ne nyinaa ne sɛ DC no wɔn nso wɔ workshop ɛwɔ Madina Accra nti otumi ɛmma even na ɔyɛ ready sɛ nka ɔbɛba ba yɛ kɔɔ no hɔ no anɔpɛ yi na ɔkyɛ sɛ we no abeto se yensa nye no mo sa nye workshop no ho yi se ko e Accra nti otumi fi ho Accra ma ensan ko bio nti otumi ma aba ne sa no omo a omo ne ye adwuma nyina ye planning se de aka fire service omo nyina ntumi amma bio e na mana ba na sa nti o ka kire se recording bi ebe no ye mfa mane no se de be ya ono so betumi ni omo hia ono mo hia na omo di ho komo edi kan ye beda eye Nana Boachi, Nana Moako, Chidom Hene, of Rara, Assi. You better your honorable Obin Assi. You better a Four Rara Mamu, you better Muninasi. You better your mammy be a friend of your boy or in the canopy at the boy, you better not say. Sana do 4 pia, what do you want more and 1 pipe ball, a tide you made the Chimani pay and ne, Uncle June Busumi. Anka wose ba Anka Sugu so ye de kwoto asofo anim omode mpa bota ya chi tibinu se nyankopɔ so atie ama na mo so ama wie mu nyina atete nti ye do bi biara ɔde nim die e de na nim nyama beta adwumadi na ase enye 1 year enye once in a year. That was not our target. Anka ukọ assembly concept mu was yetumi hia 4 times in a year omani sei ama ansane be ko general assembly meeting bia no na ya fa bibi efi omanu mu a afisi mamufo na no a ye de kwa represent omo assembly eti ye pemu a anka at least anye bia kwa twice in every year na was yetumi hia nti ya hia sie no na ye to aso otherwise